Hello everybody, it's Top Fun Guy. Working on my 17-foot Davidson Chugger. I thought I would get all the mechanical stuff in order before I started working on the boat. So this boat has a dry exhaust. You can see the exhaust stack going up through the ceiling. This is a dry exhaust here. Most boats with a dry exhaust will also have a keel cooler. This boat does not. It's got a separate seawater pump. Lots of hoses that go all over the place, and it's also got a heat exchanger right here. Heat exchanger, which is sort of in questionable condition. Lots of bits of hose and hose clamps, and yeah, it's kind of a bit of a mess. So I am going to be removing the heat exchanger and the freshwater pump and installing a keel cooler. So I'm making one up because to buy one is, I just got a price of $1,600 US, which is out of my price range. So I ended up making this homemade keel cooler, which cost me probably about $150. So it's got two bronze through hulls that I've soldered 3/4 inch copper pipe through, and there's the front bracket. And the reason that's shaped like that is it's on an angle and it's double thickness of copper, so it'll deflect any driftwood, hopefully, that happens to bump into it, which although I try very hard is always unavoidable. So here's the keel cooler, and where it's going to go is, you can see here's the keel. You can see the holes that I've drilled for it, and yeah, it's right along the keel. Today I installed the keel cooler, so there it is on the keel, surprisingly. So it worked out really well. Quite pleased with it. I fired up the engine and there's no leaks, and when the thermostat came on I could feel it heating up, so everything is working. Haven't done a thing on the boat, it's still a disaster, but yeah, mechanical things first. Here's all the stuff I removed. That was part of the raw water cooling system. So a couple through hulls, seawater pump, heat exchanger, rusty fittings, tons of hoses, crap. Here's the engine now, minus all the stuff I removed. So the heat exchanger was there, not there anymore. And you can see where the keel cooler goes through the keel, and I replaced, I did a lot of copper tubing, just makes for a neater installation. And you don't need to worry about chafe. So I don't know if I mentioned that this engine is a Kubota Z600, which is basically what is the engine that would be used in an older model Beta 16. And yeah, it's a really nice engine. Runs fantastic. Now, if anyone's wondering, about corrosion with the copper keel cooler and lead solder and other metals in the boat, the copper and lead and tin are all adjacent to each other on the galvanic scale, and of course zinc is at one extreme end of it. So when I have a anode wired up to the heat exchanger, there won't be any corrosion. The zinc will corrode first, as they do.